In this video, we are going to solve the example is s is equal to x such that x is real number and half x plus 7 is equal to 13 is singleton set. Now to solve it, half x plus 7 is equal to 13. Now when we subtract 7 from both the sides, then we'll get x by 2 is equal to 6, and now the value of x is 12. Only 12 number satisfy the given equation. Half x plus 7 is equal to 13. Therefore s is equal to 12 is singleton set, because according to the definition of singleton set, there is only one element in braces.